Hello guys, we are going to remove the background picture of this. You can see that background right there. We are going to remove it using some of the trick that can help us to remove the background in easy way. First, let's brought in the background. Okay, the background. I have this background right here. This one, it looks beautiful. You can see this one. So let's simply resize that and let's bring it right there, just like that. So now we are going to duplicate this picture right here, then alternative plus the leftmost key, and then we can control and close curly bracket, something like that. So we can bring it here and let's just do resization. Okay, just like that. So now we are ready to remove the background. The next move is simply goes to this object selection tools right here and then click that. And now we are going to simply draw it near to the picture, just like that. Okay, the next move is simply right click. We can right click on this and then go to feather. It has to be 2.5 or 3, something like that. Okay, after you are done, because we want to smooth the edge of the picture that we just removed the background, because we are going to eliminate the background there. So simply come down here at the right bottom of your window and then click that. Now you can see we remove the background. So simply try to do that, and there we have it. Let's simply try to do a little bit of duplication right here. We are going to select this saturation. Okay, just we are going to add a little bit small. Okay, something like that. Okay, there, I think that is enough. So the next move is simply to compare them. Okay, just like that. Now we have what we are looking for. Okay, so which is this picture. So let's simply try to duplicate this. Okay, as a tips, how can you easily duplicate all this picture at one like that. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye.